Yeah. So we were going to create a new column. Okay, a new table. Okay, now we'll create a new table called payroll. ठीक है, because payroll होना चाहिए. Everybody should have a payroll if you are working in a company. So payroll details is my table. अगेन अटैचमेंट एनेबल कर देता हूँ भाई, क्या पता आई वांट टू अटैच अ डॉक्यूमेंट टू द पेरोल रिकॉर्ड. ऑडिटिंग वील जस्ट कीप इट एज इट इज, नथिंग एल्स रिक्वायर्ड. अगेन नेम चेंज करूँगा तो दिस इज द प्राइमरी कॉलम नेम. ओके, सो वी विल मेक इट टू, let's keep it name only. I'll show you one more thing, how we can edit here. If you edit here, what will happen? If you edit in after it is created, what will happen? Save it, payroll details table I'm creating. Slowly we'll do everything like customization, forms, views, everything we'll customize. Okay, now once we are here, we'll create a column. Again, it will, now this is a different thing. I will create an employee. Okay, this is an employee. Let's create employee. Okay, because payroll will be related to employee. मेरा एक, जैसे I am employee and I work for a company called AVU Software. That company give me payrolls and identifies me by my employee details. If you go to lookup, create on lookup. Do you know lookups? What is a lookup? Sapna? Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah.
Do you know what is a lookup?
Lookup. I don't remember. Lookup. I don't know.
ठीक है.
Other type. I know that in data type, but lookup I actually don't remember.
Okay, let me open up then Excel for you.
VLOOKUP. Are you talking about that?
क्या क्या?
Are you talking about the VLOOKUP or
Field.
in the Excel lookup?
Not in Excel. In CRM, what is a lookup? Do you know? I mean, if you don't know, because
No, I don't remember.
it's a different type of field ना, so people don't understand that quickly. That's why. ठीक है, चलो. This is the employee detail table. Okay, on the left. Assume that. Okay. Let me shift everything to the left. Now, this is employee detail और एक payroll का detail का table है.
That is your saying for the comparison, or if you want to find out the some other data with the or want to compare the other data.
What is the relation between these two tables? How this table is, how payroll is related to employee, वो बताना चाहता हूँ मैं आपको. Okay, I will tell you this. Okay, employee हो गया, and then basic. Okay, and this can be anything. Column 1, column 2 रहने दो, no problem. Vikrant. Okay, j@k.com, and this is my phone number. अभी देखो, the most important thing for you to remember is कि there is a relationship between two tables. That is why you are using Dataverse, or that is why you are using Power Platform. Always if you store data, there should be a relationship between one type of data to the other type of data. अभी क्या है? What is this? This is payroll details, है ना? ये payroll का detail का table है. You should remember that payroll is for a employee, not for anybody else. So we have a lookup to employee table. Okay, which employee? First row enter किया मैं, यहाँ 5,000 basic लिखा हूँ मैं, right? For whom this the basic is 5,000? For Vikrant, right? Right? So imagine you are also there and your name is Sapna and your email is same, like this is a hypothetical, so let it be. Now for Sapna, what is Sapna's basic? Again 10,000. Okay, your basic is 10,000. See, now what happens is lookup कैसे हो रहा है? If you click on Sapna, ठीक है, it should take you to employee table Sapna record directly. Do you understand now? What is a lookup?
Yeah, got it.
So सपना के लिए जो रिकॉर्ड है ये, दिस इज फॉर सपना. So that is how you relate कि सपना का रिकॉर्ड है ये. And if you want to see what सपना has details, click here, click on सपना, it will take you to सपना का employee table. So this is what a lookup basically is.
Yeah, this is also that I'm saying that it's called VLOOKUP in the Excel actually. This is also the working in the same way. If you want to find
Yeah,
any
yeah.
details of the same employee, you can find it. Take up from another details to the same table.
Yeah, I'm not very familiar with Excel,
Or
so
even in the tab is also you can take it from the through the VLOOKUP.
yeah, similar, exactly same I think. ठीक है.
Yeah.
So we'll do again employee से. Again it is going to take a little bit of time. See, I wrote EMP, still it is not showing me. So there is a problem with the UI of Microsoft. Okay, we'll click on employee. We selected our related table employee. किससे lookup है ये? Employee का lookup है. ठीक है. All of those things you can look at in advance. Don't need to touch all of these things. Save. Now we have a lookup. So I think, oh yeah, I think only currency is left, I guess, and status. Anyways, we did choice.
So if someone will ask me, what is lookup in the CRM language, and then so what we will say that what is lookup actually?
Yeah, now I'll
It
show
will
you.
give you a critical answer.
Yeah, I'll show you this table to explain that. See, what is a lookup? Lookup is a relationship between two tables. What type of relationship? See, one employee, right, can have multiple rows here. It should not have, but still it can. It is the lookup. So it is 1 to n. What the hell? Oh, कुछ फॉर्मूला लिखने का है क्या ये? Okay, 1 to n. Okay, it is a relationship of type 1 to n. 1 is to n. So one employee, okay, can have multiple rows here. See, in the real world ऐसा होना नहीं चाहिए, ठीक है, बट लुकअप का मतलब यही होता है कि भाई सपना है एक, ठीक है, एक सपना का रो है एम्प्लॉय टेबल में. इफ आई हैव अ लुकअप ऑफ सपना, लुकअप ऑफ एम्प्लॉय इन पेरोल, विच मीन्स one row from employee table can have more than one records here. 1 is to n relationship, 1 to n है ना, n मतलब 1 से ज़्यादा. ओके, गॉट इट नाउ? हेलो?
Yeah, I got it now.
Yeah, so it's called 1 is to n relationship. Now
Okay, it's called 1 is to n relationship you are talking about, right?
yes, it's the I will also show you something.
N is to 1 and 1 is to n.
Sorry,
There's a two type of relationship, 1 is to n or n is to is 1.
no, there is 3.
Right?
1 is to n, n is to 1, and n is to n. Many to many, 1 to many,
Yeah,
many
yeah,
to 1.
1
ठीक
to
है?
many and 2 to 1.
Yeah, we will take
Many
care
to
of that.
1.
We'll take care of that later. I will show you what is relationship, where it is created, all of those things. We will now create कि भाई पेरोल में हो गया, एम्प्लॉय का लुकअप हो गया, बेसिक सैलरी, okay, which should be of type currency because it is a money, and then save it. Then बोनस होगा, डिडक्शंस होंगी, टोटल अर्निंग होगा, बैंक अकाउंट डिटेल होगा, ठीक है. These are the things we will have. You're fine with me speaking Hindi in between, or do you want all English? Because if you are not, then I'll speak English, okay?
I'm fine in both languages also.
Okay.
I'm an Indian actually. I know Hindi also.
नहीं, बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं ना, they don't want English.
No, I'm not a Telugu actually. I'm base location is my MP actually.
MP, yeah.
So I know Hindi also.
Yeah, okay, ठीक है. Then bonus. Bonus is again gonna be a currency. So just go here, click currency, done. We'll do deductions. I'll just copy paste from my note which I have written. I'll copy paste the name so that we can just quickly go to main things. I will be giving you some tables, right? I will not create everything. I want you to create so that you have something of your own. I mean, because कि आपको भी लगे कि भाई मैंने कुछ बनाया है. So everything you have to
Sure,
create,
sure.
and then we will do something called a solution
Okay.
export. Okay, that is very crucial. Okay, not everybody knows it. I will tell you what.
Mhm.
I mean, I'll tell you something which like people don't even know after 3 years or 2 years of experience. Okay, again मैं करेंसी बना रहा हूँ, बेसिक चीज़ बना रहा हूँ. Then I'll give you this screenshot, or maybe I'll give you a note directly, and then you will create yourself. Only this table I'll create. Now, display name of bank details. Let's do bank details. IFSC code होना चाहिए, right? IFSC code will be of single line of text is fine. Save it. Now account number will also be there. Account. See, account number again is fine, single line of text, no problem. Now this is like payroll and employee entity, both are done now. I want you to now understand that there are three more tables, I mean two more tables which you will be creating, and those two will be created by you. Okay, date I have told you, choice I have told you, and money currency also I have told you how to create. All of those things only you have to create in the other two tables, and lookup also. Now we'll go to other details which are related to the table. We have created a column. Now we'll relationship ignore, key ignore. Okay, we'll go to forms and views, and then charts and dashboards also ignore. Chart dashboard you can ignore, few and forms and views will go. All of those, the one which are telling me to ignore, I will come to them later. So we'll go to forms. Now this is very important. There are basic, when you create a table, basic types of forms are created. Card form, main form, quick view form. Card form is not useful now. We will not talk about this. We don't use it a lot. I haven't used it in my 4 years of career. Main form is something which we always use. Main form will let you customize the main form of the table. Click on edit. I will show you what main form looks like and how do you make it. All of those things will come to that later, so that you will have clarity there. Quick view also I will tell you. So I have edited in the new tab. Now we have added employee ID. On the left hand side you can see that table columns you can search for, and on the middle you can add those columns in the form. So let this load. On this here, this is how the CRM form will look like. Employee name, as we have already edited, this is employee name. Owner, who owns the record. What we'll do is we always have the owner on the top. We'll drag this owner from here to the top right. Owner is always on the top. Now in the left hand side you can scroll here for the fields, or either you can search directly here. We'll write employee number. Okay, then same email, date of joining, position, phone number, all we are dragging dropping, state, which state they are from, and that's it. Okay, these are the basic details we wanted, right? I want you to see that I have to click save and publish to make these changes live. Anything on the right you see here, we will cover it. Just let it save and publish.
Yeah, why is it showing that star? It's mandatory.
Yeah, I will tell you that also.
How we will decide that that is mandatory field or that is not mandatory field?
Yeah,
Because in star it's show that mandatory field, right?
yeah.
So how we will decide that?
Yeah.
Or how we can mark a star for that mandatory?
Yeah. So there are ways. See, the reason why that field specifically is starred because that is a system required. If I go to edit, okay, if I go to edit, this is business required because, as I showed you, I was telling you when I was customizing, right? Business required means you have to enter it. Business recommended is you should, I mean, you are requested to enter it. Okay, you are recommended that you please enter here. Optional means don't enter it. If I click optional, okay, save it, refresh this. I'm refreshing the form. See, this required is gone, right? You can see now, right? Sabna? Hello. You can see, right, Sabna? That
Yeah, I can see it.
it
I
is
can
now
see.
not required.
Yeah,
So
because they
this,
have mentioned that optional now, so that's why it's not required now.
yes. So that is the reason. That is how you can do. You asked, right? How can we do it? This is how you can do it. I'll make it business required because the thing is, भाई नाम तो होना चाहिए, सबका नाम होता है, ठीक है? तो business required is name. The rest all you can put blank because we are doing. See, I want you to see. There is one thing which is very important to note. In real world, email positions and the phone, maybe email position and date of joining will always be required. But we'll not keep it required because वही क्या होता है कि when we are testing, especially in trial, we are learning, we'll keep it blank क्योंकि क्या होता है कि you want to test some functionality, then you need to enter all these details, which will be very frustrating. Okay, suppose you have to test some integration between two tables, you have to create new record for each integration testing, then it will become very hassle. So we'll just make this business required, and then we'll move along, just that you know that अच्छा भाई business required कैसे करते हैं कैसे नहीं. Now we'll go back. We've done our job. We have saved and published one form. Now we'll go to other things of the employee table. Click on employee table. We'll go to views. Form वो होता है where you enter data. View वो होता है where you see what data is entered for multiple rows. Now I'll show you this. Okay, this is a view. You can see this Excel, right? This table you are seeing is a view. Exactly इसको if you copy paste this exactly to, imagine it is copy pasted, it is exactly going to look similar here in Dataverse also. So there is a something called active public view, okay, and inactive public view. I will explain you both, but let's first edit a active public view. Click on edit. These basic form and views things I'm telling you, but there is more to them. I will tell you all, but later. So that let's just finish the basic things. So now in the view, as I said, if you see here, there is a similarity. In the Excel, you see email, employee name, and phone, and in the rows type of thing. All these rows, if you wanna see, you will see in the employee view. Now we'll add a. You click on double click, it will add it. Date of joining, double click, add it. State, click, add it. Only single click will also add it. Phone, all added to the view. You can see drag drop the columns from here also. What I'll do is I'll drag this created on to the right, it shifted to the right. Now I'll make it in the end. Now you can do sorting here. Okay, on the left hand side you can add the elements columns. You can create a view column here also, but before that I will tell you sorting. See, it is now on the right hand side, you can see it is sorted by employee name. Now if you go here, if you see, sort from A to Z is already checked, which means A to Z it will show you in the ascending order. Similarly on created on also you can do कि भाई मेरे को newest record first चाहिए then the oldest, so you'll sort by newest to oldest. If you go to phone में you can do sort on ascending order of the phone number, descending order, which means one appears first, so one should get at the top, any number which is starting from one. Same way you can do here. Okay, all of these fields. Now you can also click on the fields and click on edit properties. You can adjust the size of this. I'll tell you this. See, if you more enter 3000, 300 is the limit, so I was about to show you that, but I wanted to show you that what happens if you enter more than 3000. 300 will enter, click on apply. See, look at the position. Okay, position is now this big. It was very small, like state it was. Now it is this big. We'll make it little smaller. We'll make it more smaller. We'll make it 25. By the way, minimum is 25, maximum is 300. So we'll make it 25. See, position shrink to 25. P is only visible. Same way, now we'll make it 150 or something. And now, if you click on edit fit, if right hand side there is something called filter. Edit filter. Here you can specify what conditions should happen. Like what type of record do you want? If you go to add a row, click here, you will see a position field, na? Position. If position equal to manager, then only show me the record. So in this view, current active view, you will only see manager's record. I will also tell you something that in CRM, we have a column called a default column called status. It has two statuses. Only two statuses are there by default: inactive and active. Very basic. Anything which the name is, it suggests what it does. Active means this guy is active. Okay, for employee, if employee is active, मतलब वो active है. It is our current employee. Okay. Same way, if Sapna suppose left our company, okay, she is now with another firm. Her record should be inactive, right? I don't want to keep her information inactive and have payslip generated for her. She is not here. I don't want payslip. So her payslip and her employee details should be inactive. So we will deactivate her record. I am still working, so mine is active. Have you got the analogy of active and inactive, Sapna? What is inactive? What is active?
No. Active and inactive, I don't know actually.
Okay. देखो, as I explained, if you are working in a company, I am also working in the same company. Now you are active. Today you are active. ठीक है? क्योंकि आप काम कर रहे हो. Tomorrow you leave the company. Okay? Then you become inactive. As simple as that. You don't work for the company anymore. So company don't need to generate your employee details. You don't work for the company anymore. So company doesn't have to. Yeah.
Voice is breaking and even I cannot see the screen.
You can't see the screen still?
Yeah. Now I can see.
Okay.
Now I can see.
Okay. Maybe I had a connection drop. So see, आप और मैं एक कंपनी में काम करते हैं. आप कल उसको छोड़ के चली जाती हैं. Do you think your record should be there in the employee management system as an active member?
No, it will be shown as an inactive employee.
Correct.
Exit
right?
employee will show the data.
हाँ.
Data will be there, but as a
inactive
employee will be there.
Perfect. So exactly that means active inactive. ठीक है, आप आज हैं तो आप एक्टिव हैं, नहीं है तो इनएक्टिव है. दैट इज द एनालॉजी ऑफ स्टेटस. सीआरएम में स्टेटस बाय डिफॉल्ट एक्टिव इनएक्टिव होता है. ओके, गॉट इट? Sapna, did you understand or no?
Yeah, I got it. Yes, I got it.
Okay. Chalo. So in the view, as I was saying, active inactive now you know. So in the view, in this active view, view का नाम है active view. See, active employees. Active employees view है तो भाई मेरे को active employees दिखने चाहिए. So status के हिसाब से मैं filter कर दूंगा. Status equals to filter means normal. Filter मतलब filter. जैसे आप यहाँ पर जाओगे, right? कॉलम को filter कर सकते हैं ना. इफ यू क्लिक हियर यू कैन सी कि मुझे भाई एक्टिव दिखा दो सिर्फ। क्लिक ओके, इट विल ओनली शो यू एक्टिव एम्प्लॉयज, राइट। सिमिलरली इनएक्टिव देखने तो इनएक्टिव, तो वही है, सेम है एकदम एग्जैक्टली। अगर मुझे एक्टिव एम्प्लॉयज चाहिए तो एक्टिव एम्प्लॉयज का व्यू बना दो, एक्टिव एम्प्लॉयज दिख जाएंगे, देन वी विल सेव एंड पब्लिश। So this is what is active invoice. This is how you add conditions to things and so on. Sorting also I have told you. So view is done. Anything there is nothing left in the view. Everything I have told you. Now for the form also I will do the same. क्योंकि फॉर्म में मैं थोड़ा जल्दी में चला गया था. So we will go to, now we have edited our view. Okay. In form there are a lot of things. In the main form basically we will always edit main form. Main form वो होता है जो actually CRM में entry data entry आप करते हो. It is called main form. Now let this open. See, it is still opening. Yeah, on the left hand side you see table columns. We have already mentioned this. यहाँ से you can add or remove your columns. Tree view will tell you how your basic view of your form is. So देखो आपका header है, header के अंदर आपका क्या है, owner है. Header क्या होता है, this is your header. Okay, on the top. See, I selected this, so it is telling header. Header में owner है. There is one field called owner in header. There is a general tab. This is your general tab. In general tab you have general section. In general section you have these fields, and there is footer. Footer is the bottom thing. Footer is deprecated. Footer is no more there in CRM, so don't worry about it. Form libraries, मतलब अगर आप JavaScript लिख रहे हो, you are all talking about JavaScript, right? You can write code. So if you are writing JavaScript, you will add your library here. Click on add library, search for your name of the library or file name, then add it. Business rule, I will come to business rule. Business rule is basically writing validation कि भैया ये field है, if this field has value, make this field as visible or show it or hide it. These small automations on the form you can do with business rule. Now once we are here, now we'll click on components. This is very important. See, this thing which you see, big box, is called a section, and you can have tabs. You can create tabs. Now I'll create tab for you. Select this, drag it and put it beside general. You will see it now general tab hai, and there is one new tab. It is a blank tab. It has a default section. Tabs always have a section. Tabs have sections. कि भाई section मतलब एक area, ठीक है. Again, in section you can insert types of sections are there. 1 column section, 2 column section, ठीक है. Then you can put them here. Now in this you can see columns. You can also make change for the current one. I'll tell you. Now in sections we have a lot of properties. Hide label. Label is this thing. You can see new section. I will click on hide label. What will happen? You'll see it hide the label. The section is not, section name is not visible. Hide on phone. Do you want to show this when somebody is using the app on the phone or not? If somebody is using a phone, you want to hide it, click on hide on phone. If you just want to hide it, always click on hide. It will always hide it. Click on uncheck, it will unhide it. Lock means it will never be able to delete from the form. Okay. See, lock this section to keep it from being removed. You have locked it, so you can't delete it. That delete option itself is gone. If I uncheck, the delete option is there. Okay, this is the basic of form. See, again, how you want things to be. You want the label. Label matlab, if you go here, the label is coming on the left, right? How do you want it? Do you want it on the left or do you want it on the top? I'll show you. I'll click on top. You will see the change soon. See, employee name आ गया, उसके नीचे data entry आ गई, ठीक है. Now we have something called quick view. We will not cover quick view here. We will not cover subgrid now. We will not cover anything from this now because it is complex topic and it will take some time for you to get used to it. When these topics come in the lecture, we will cover them. Save and publish just for the sake that we made these changes and make it look like this. Now we have covered forms, views, columns. I will show you relationship and how it looks like in a second. Business rule, as I said, you can do small automations. We will cover that. We will create business rules, so don't worry. See, I changed the view now. How you think it will look in the app? We'll create an app, small app, and we'll wind up the session today. Okay. Let me create an app for you. Then we'll see relationship and we will close. Click on app, click on new app, click on app, model driven app with Microsoft UI. Don't need to worry about anything. So we'll write here. I will just copy paste the name. Okay, payslip management. In advance, use component for custom solution is not required. I think let's check this. Use component from a custom solution. If you check this, I will show you this. See, it is telling you by kahan se you have to use. Where do you want the components of this app to come from? See. Now what we'll do is we'll select payslip management system. This is one way, but we'll do this. We'll uncheck, we'll click on create. Now we'll tell you. Save, you written create by create my app. Now you have to add pages. Okay, we'll add a new page. When you click on new page, it will ask you Dataverse table you have to add, or a dashboard, or a URL, or a web resource, or a custom page. Last three are not relevant. Anything is not relevant right now. We will add a Dataverse table. Dashboard means chart. There is a chart and you have created a dashboard for that chart that you can add. Web resource.
Yeah.
Is again.
Even I want to run that Power BI dashboard because it is helpful for us as in HR department is also for creating the reports. Once a day I will show you the result, report, what kind of report I need to generate in the HR. So I want to learn that Power BI dashboard also.
Okay, then I think see I will, to be frank, देखिए Power Apps एक अलग है, ठीक है. आपको अगर Power BI का भी चाहिए, I also do Power BI course, but वो अलग रहेगा because see there is a lot. Do you want to create a dashboard or do you want to just see how it is and how to use it?
Tell me this. Because I'll show you to my screen that one dashboard we need to generate that type of dashboard we have to generate every month for the report of only HR report actually.
अच्छा, you have to create
so
yourself.
I don't know that.
अच्छा, ठीक है, उसका
yeah, we can see.
You can share your screen if you want.
Later in the next session I will show you the dashboard concept.
हाँ.
It is easy or tough, I don't know about that.
Yeah. I will tell you. I'll tell you. It depends on what you want. Yeah. Okay. It depends आपको क्या चाहिए. If you want to be a developer, I mean, then it's a different course. पूरा एक course है. अगर आपको just छोटी मोटी चीजें जाननी है, then I can just tell you right away. See.
That is only report I think one. Where we upload the Excel actually or automatic Power BI dashboard generate the report.
Okay. Then
so that is kind of that actually I think.
Sure. We'll see.
I will show you later.
Yeah. We'll see. Now dashboard again, you know, then URL से आपको URL embedded URL we call it and then it will create a normal website for you. But we'll not do this. Web resource, again you can put your own custom code of web resource inside it, so that suppose you have a static HTML. Static matlab which never changes. You have created a HTML page with hello world written on it. कि भाई मेरा एक वेबसाइट है, वो पेज है, बस वो never changes. You upload it as a web resource, it will be there. Custom page, again if you click on custom page, you can put in your own custom page, again like a code or a Canvas app. Canvas app भी आप इसमें डाल सकते हो. Now we'll click on next. We'll click Dataverse table. We'll select a table. What was the table name? It was employee and it was pay roll, right? I'll click both and I will see show in navigation मतलब होता है left hand side जब आप wait I'll show you. See I've checked it, okay? Show in navigation is checked. Click on add. In the left hand side of this app, this is our app, how it is going to look like. In the left hand side of the app you can see that employee दिखा रहा है इधर, right? Employee and payroll details, it is showing up, which means show in navigation. यही है navigation. Okay, now our app is done. Okay, now I'll save it. Anything on the right you don't need to worry about it. You don't want to change the icon you can change, but आपको उसके we'll talk about that later. I think it's more complicated. No problem, we'll publish. Okay, all these customizations we will talk, but in a later lecture, because I want to just show you a app built and running. Click on play. Once published, save, publish and play. So what is the first thing? Click on save, then publish, then play. Then I've played the app. Now if you see the view which I created कि भाई मेरे को क्या क्या चाहिए, see it is here. This is what I was talking about. See if you will see a similarity with Excel. See Excel में ये view है ना? Same way it is coming. See view. I will add a new. Click on new. Put a new record. Okay. And here don't put employee number. I will tell you why. We'll put Vikrant v@g.com. Position is, see drop down आ रहा है, मैं मैनेजर हूँ suppose. State है गाना, phone है this. Date of joining है मेरा आज, ठीक है. Save. I've saved my related information. Okay. See employee number खुद ब खुद आ गया. It was blank, but now it is employee 1 because I am employee 1. If I go back, see Vikrant का detail आ रहा है, right सबना? It is similar to Excel. Excel का table कैसे दिखता है? ऐसे ही दिखता है.
हाँ, same. It's look like same.
Right? Exactly same. So now if I go to payroll detail, अब मैं payroll detail में जाऊँगा. I'll create a new payroll detail. ठीक है? Oh no. Okay. We didn't see. Now I didn't customize the form of payroll detail. I only customized for employee. That is why you see these two things only. है ना? So I forgot. So what we'll do is we'll go back. We'll just customize this and we'll finish the lecture. No problem. Because if you want we can continue, but we'll finish it if you want a break.
Yeah, we can start later tomorrow.
Yeah. So we'll just customize this form and click on payroll details and then go to forms, go to main form, click on this, add in the fields you want to add. I will add basic salary, account number, bonus. अभी देखो मैं आपको एक चीज बताता हूँ. See, for bonus you see two things. For some reason bonus is coming 2 times, है ना? Bonus आया इधर, हमने already डाल दिया bonus. Wait, I'll show you. Delete this bonus, okay? You see bonus and bonus base. The reason why you have 2 fields is because it is currency. Always put bonus जिस पे लिखा हो. Don't put the field on the form which has base in it. So we'll just put bonus, okay? And deduction again. Then employee, IFSC code. These are the things which we created, okay? Then total earning, and then one will be bank account details or something. Yeah, account number, it is there. Now we'll drag this and put it here. Always I said that owner should be on the top right. Now name यहाँ, अभी देखो मैं आपको एक चीज दिखाता हूँ. Name पे click करो. As I told you that we will keep this name only by default. ये Microsoft आपको default देता है. Now I'll show you how to edit this also. I don't want it be payroll name. I'll make it payroll. I don't want to be just name. I'll make it payroll information. ठीक है? अभी देखना क्या हो गया. On the right it changed. So that is how you can change the names on the form without changing the field name. तो अभी save and publish कर देंगे. I will close this one. Everything I will close which I am not using. I have just saved and published this. We will wait for a second and we will refresh. See, everything is now coming. Payroll information for Vikrant, right? So I'll write Vikrant payroll. Okay, I will show you one thing now. 100 है सैलरी, अकाउंट नंबर है 1234, मेरा बैंक अकाउंट नंबर बेसिकली. बोनस इज 100, डिडक्शन इज 10, एम्प्लॉई बाद में देखेंगे. टोटल अर्निंग हो गया मेरा 1000 सपोज. ठीक है, IFSC इज दिस दिस दैट दैट. नाउ इफ आई क्लिक ऑन एम्प्लॉय, देखो मेरे को कैसा आ रहा है, ये नीचे विक्रांत आ गया ऑटोमेटिकली. दिस इज द मीनिंग ऑफ लुकअप. एनीथिंग विच यू हैव इन एम्प्लॉय टेबल विल कम इन द ड्रॉप डाउन. I can directly select, or if I write VIKRANT and press enter, it will also come. So this is how you create, this is what is lookup. Now save it. अभी अब देखो I have saved it. Now if I click on Vikrant, it will take me to employee, directly employee table का record खुल गया विक्रांत का. Let's go out. You will see विक्रांत का payroll बन गया. So this is how it is. Okay, Sapna, hope you have got something new from this session today.
Yes, yes.